Are you looking for the best car cleaning kits? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best car cleaning kits. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Chemical Guys 16-piece Arsenal Builder Kit. Chemical Guys' Arsenal Builder Kit is a perennial bestseller on Amazon, and it's clear why. The company's premium starter kit has all the tools and chemicals needed to keep your vehicle looking great. The included bottles are substantial, the spray nozzles are sturdy, and the entire kit fits inside the provided 5-gallon bucket. In addition to 6 soaps and sprays, Chemical Guys also includes a foam cannon for sudsing up your car with minimal effort. There's also a collection of microfiber towels and brushes, rounding out one of the more comprehensive sets we tested. Up next in the 6th place is the Adams Polishes Essential Car Wash Kit. We were going to say Adams polishes through everything but the kitchen sink into this kit. But the reality is the included 3.5-gallon bucket could probably double as a sink if needed. While the 24-piece label is slightly misleading, 3 strawberry-scented air fresheners count toward that total. This is one of the most comprehensive kits we evaluated. The tool and towel collection is the best of the bunch. There are 16-ounce spray bottles of almost every type of cleaner. And the foam sprayer in particular highlights just how serious Adams is about getting your vehicle back to its former glory. Unfortunately, not everything in the kit fits inside the bucket. If you don't mind this kit taking up the space, you'll have a tough time finding a better all-in-one solution. Coming in at number 5 is the Meguiar's Classic Wash and Wax Kit. You'd be hard-pressed to find a garage without at least one Meguiar's cleaning product in it. And this kit makes it clear why. Meguiar's Classic Wash and Wax Kit includes everything you need to keep your car clean and protected. Sponges, a microfiber cloth, soaps, waxes, and more. The included cloth is generously sized, and the 16-ounce bottles of cleaners and waxes are large enough to get you and your ride through a handful of washes. You'll need to bring your own bucket, but this affordable kit from an industry titan should get you up and running. At number 4, we have the Car Gods Car Detailing Kit. Despite the absence of cleaning tools, Car Gods' Car Cleaning Detailing Kit was one of the more impressive kits we evaluated. It features all the main chemicals you'll need in a quality package. The 16-ounce bottles are made of thick plastic and feel good in the hand, particularly when paired with the soft squeeze spray nozzles. Car Gods uses squared-off bottles instead of the more conventional cylinder shape used by other manufacturers. This design allows the bottles to stack much more efficiently inside the included carrying case, which is padded with individual netted compartments for each particular cleaner. The bottles are numbered for the chronological order in which you're supposed to use each chemical throughout the wash process, but stage 3 is absent. That's because the 3rd step in Car Gods' cleaning system is to use its clay bar kit, but it's sold separately. UK-based Car Gods doesn't manufacture cleaning tools. But if you don't mind bringing your own gear, this kit is second to none in selection, product quality, and presentation. The 3rd product on our list is the Griot's Garage Car Care Kit. Griot's Garage Starter Car Care Kit eschews nearly all the tools and accessories to keep it simple. It includes 5 16-ounce bottles, 2 pour bottles, and 3 spray bottles. While it might seem like a small detail, the sprayers on these bottles were the nicest of the bunch we used. They felt sturdy, and the extra large levers made them easy to squeeze, even with gloves on. The generously portioned containers are a nice bonus, especially considering the car washing soap is super concentrated and only requires 0.5 ounce of soap per gallon of water. The sole accessory included in the kit is a well-made circular sponge for the best of show wax. As long as you have cleaning tools and towels on hand, this starter kit gives you everything you need to revitalize your ride. Second on our list is the Invisible Glass Treatment Kit. As the company's name suggests, this kit is designed to keep all the windows on your vehicle clean and protected from Mother Nature. The largest bottle in the kit is Invisible Glass's Tint-Safe Glass Cleaner. This 22-ounce bottle is a do-it-all solution for cleaning your windows, windshield, mirrors, and more. The 2 smaller bottles, both 8 ounces, are anti-fog and rain repellent. The anti-fog spray is used inside the windows to keep windows from fogging up. The hydrophobic rain repellent spray gets applied to the outside of your windows to help rain bead more easily. One large microfiber towel is included, but we found we usually need both a wet and dry microfiber to truly make our car's glass sparkle. Further, Invisible Glass boasts a streak-free guarantee. They will give you your money back if you're unhappy with the product's performance. In our experience, though, Amazon often doesn't honor manufacturer warranties or guarantees. Buyer beware. Finally, the top product on our list is the Rev Auto Wheel Cleaning Kit. If all you want to do is clean up your vehicle's tires and wheels, Rev Auto's complete wheel cleaning kit gives you everything you'll need to get the job done. The kit includes the company's Breakaway Wheel Cleaner and Uber Shine Tire Shine Spray, each of which comes in a 16-ounce spray bottle. There's also an included bristle brush for getting inside rims, a microfiber cloth, and a shining sponge for putting the finishing touches on it. As a bonus, Rev Auto says the Uber Shine is also acceptable to use on vinyl and plastic trim elsewhere on your vehicle to restore color and shine. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.